Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing macOS updates via the terminal. As you can see, I'm currently running macOS Monterey 12.7.5. To begin, start LaunchPad from the dock, then search for terminal and select it from the results. We'll be using the SoftwareUpdate command. To list the available updates, you can run SoftwareUpdate --list. To install all the available software updates, you can then run SoftwareUpdate with the install and all arguments. In this example, I'll be installing a specific update by passing the label to the install argument. You can find the correct label from the output of the SoftwareUpdate list command. Using this information, I'll install the macOS Monterey 12.7.6 update. After the update downloads, the system will want to reboot to install it. Click the Terminate option, then wait for the system to reboot back to the login screen. After logging back in, I can see that the 12.7.6 update has been applied.